Among the lesser-known videos of the Andover, Kansas tornado of 2022 is footage from a set of security cameras at a YMCA in the city, just one of over 1,000 buildings to incur some degree of damage in the disaster. Initially, the tornado, later rated EF3 on the enhanced Fujita scale, is barely visible through the windows in the front lobby, but the funnel and its cloud of knife-edge debris soon fill up much of the area visible through the glass. Those in the lobby had only seconds to react before the building was gutted by the whirlwind. Soon after they head deeper into the building, several rooms, including the lobby, are shown being destroyed by the twister. This is one of the closest videos to the damage path of the Tuscaloosa Alabama EF4 tornado of April 27, 2011. It was filmed from a parking garage that was almost completely full when the tornado passed by, and considering the fate of vehicles caught in tornadoes, the site was an extremely dangerous place to be. Only a few hundred feet from where the cameraman stands, the tornado is visibly destroying trees and buildings, whipping up a maelstrom of debris as its winds ascend in volume from a distant rumbling to a howling roar. The entire time, the cameraman braved the risk of being caught in the tornado, hit by debris, or squashed between the cars if they were picked up or pushed. Eventually, the tornado passes his location, and the screaming of the wind is replaced by an eerie quiet. Another less infamous EF4 tornado occurred in December 2015 in the countryside of Mississippi, where it tore across 6 counties, before disappearing. The tornado's exact position in this footage is unknown, but it must be apparent to some of the motorists stopped on the road. Suddenly, several of them abandoned their vehicles, presumably in order to take cover in the ditch. Seconds later, an apocalypse of noise and debris descends upon the cameraman and his vehicle as the tornado reaches the roadway.
Y'all get down. Get down.
Along this tornado's path, 36 people were injured and 9 lost their lives, one of whom was tragically a 7-year-old boy in a vehicle. The Holly Springs tornado packed winds of up to 170 miles per hour and was capable of flattening even well-built homes that were in its way, just a few of the 200 houses that it ruined in its hour and 15 minutes of life. This video captures the formation and strengthening of the Rochelle Illinois EF4 tornado as it scours the northern countryside of the state. The entire video, over 17 minutes long in total, documents the evolution of the tornado into an enormous wedge as a family watches awestruck from their property. This location is not entirely safe, but much more so than the many farms on the horizon, in much closer proximity to the strengthening whirlwind. It sends chills up the spine to watch the relentless progression of the tornado so close to so many homes in a row, all of which seem only a hair's breadth from the gigantic funnel. Some of the destruction left by the tornado was so great that many analysts and observers felt that it was deserving of EF5 status.
I'm still at it. It's going sideways, Megan, straight across the fucking field. All right. Bye. Holy shit. I know! It's hitting that fucking farm! Look at the fucking shit blowing! If it twists, we're fucked! Holy cow. Anybody else see this? Oh my god! Oh my god. It's hitting that farm. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's just missing it. Look at those people still driving next to it. You see that roof? Oh my god. Look at it! Look it! Another one! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at all of that! That poor farm! Look at that!
I know.
That poor farm!
Go take water to the basement, but
Just in case it wants to twirl around and come towards us.
Good. I don't know. Not the only one. The second farm is gone.
What's all those?
I'm feeling it's gonna come back this way. I have a feeling too. Look how close it's getting.
It's getting bigger and bigger.
And it's big.
Cause it was past those houses over there.
Watch, I don't want one behind us.
No.
I don't want to get struck by lightning.
Yeah.
It's getting closer, isn't it? It's gonna go hit those houses, those new ones.
I don't know. I think it's still going the same way.
Okay, he's gonna take video too.
I kind of wish I had a better camera. Sad to say.
It totally destroyed the farm.
I'm gonna go check on the kids.
It totally destroyed the farm.
I'm gonna go check on the kids. I'm gonna go check on the kids.
No, we've seen roofs fly. Like I have it. Like all their electric blew up.
We want to go out there and see if there's any damage.
I know.
Because that farm was demolished a year ago.
It's had to still have some electric to it. Something blew up over there.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, there's a cop going to the farm. God, this is crazy.
3 days after the Holly Springs, Mississippi tornado, the city of Rowlett, Texas, bore the brunt of an even deadlier EF4 twister in the middle of the night. For much of the video, the tornado is only barely visible, if at all. The brief glimpses provided by power flashes and lightning, as well as the steadily increasing sound of its winds, make it clear that a hulking, violent tornado is approaching the cameraman in the dark. Naturally, he watches in wonder and horror for over a minute before running to take shelter and calling his friend to alert him to the danger. the city of Rowlett would be only one of 3 communities to incur significant devastation from this tornado.
That is a massive fucking tornado. Coming right at you. This is insane. This is huge, and it's coming right at me. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, get the hell out of here. This guy's driving right into it. There's stuff flying all around the sky right now. There's debris everywhere. Oh my god. Andrew, this might be going right towards your apartment. Holy shit. I gotta hide. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's a huge tornado.
Where is it?
It's going that way, past us, but it's ripping. I gotta call